Okay. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a daily nasal wash, and this is from the brand Otrivin. Now, Otrivin is a famous brand, and this brand mostly deals with nasal decongestants. And they have nasal sprays, they have nasal drops, and also there is a range of Otrivin Pediatrics, which is for kids, which is for like toddlers and kids. So they basically cover all age groups. So Otrivin is quite a famous brand in short. So if I have to talk about this product, this is Otrivin Breathe Clean Isotonic Nasal Spray. Isotonic nasal spray means the salt present in this solution is not going to affect the salt in our body. So this is completely safe to use. And also this says if you are suffering from a blocked nose, or if you are having allergens in your nose, like if you're due to allergy, if you are constantly sneezing, or if you're having a runny nose, you can use this to clean your nose. This retails for 335 rupees, and this is 100 ml in quantity. And I had purchased this from a chemist, and you can locally buy this from a chemist, or you can buy this online as well. This is not having a lot of ingredients. This is having samudra lavan, which is salt, sea salt. This is having sea salt, and also this has glycerine, natural glycerine. So this is going to benefit you in every possible way. This moisturizes the inner part of your nose, and also this soothes your nose. If you have a blocked nose, this washes away the entire mucus from your nose, and also this washes away pollutants or dust if you have any buildup in your nose. So this is basically, this sounds very good. This is suitable for children above 2 years. So you can consider this is very safe for everyone, because they have mentioned it clearly that this is for children above 2 years as well. You have to, before using this, I haven't used this. Actually, I'm really scared to shove up anything inside my nose. This is kind of a very tricky situation, but I really want to use this because this um, sounds very positive. Okay, so this is how it is. This looks scary. I don't know. Okay, so how you have to use it, you have to blow your nose. My nose is already blowed, so I'll not, and especially I won't blow it in front of you for sure. Okay, so you have to blow your nose, and then you have to shake it, and you have to tilt it and apply it inside your nose. You have to just close one nose and apply it. So this is a spray like this. This is like this is a spray, and no fragrance, like no fragrance, no such fragrance, I guess. So let's try this. And you have to tilt this for using, like this. You have to tilt this. I'm really scared to use this thing, yeah. Although this is Ayurvedic and all, but I don't know. Fine, anyways. Let's try this. I have to close one nose and then do it. Okay. This smells like I don't know. This smells good. Like this smells like oh, like salt water. Okay, let's try the other one. दूसरे पे करना तो पड़ेगा. I have it everywhere. Okay, so I have done it, and I should not have done makeup for it. Makeup must have gone from my nose, I guess. Okay, so I have done it, and I didn't feel anything wrong about it. Like I didn't feel anything. There was no such discomfort. Like when we bath, sometimes we get water in our nose. It's that kind of a feeling. But yes, this feels really good, and the fragrance is very nice and fresh, as if you're like breathing. You're near a sea or something. That kind of a fragrance this has. Very fresh fragrance, and yeah, after you spray it inside your nose, the little water comes out, which is quite obvious. So you can wipe it up with a tissue, like I did, and this feels good. I guess this feels really good. No such irritation. Also, my nose was not though blocked, but I had a little cold, and I was feeling a little stuffy over here. But now it's like feeling very nice and breathable. It's really good. I liked it. I don't mind using it twice. You have to use it twice daily. So for best results, you have to use it twice. and I liked it, and I'll highly recommend this to you. Though to use this you need a little practice, because it is not easy to do anything like this inside your nose. It's difficult to do these things, especially for a person like me. If I have to do it on someone else's nose, I'll take no time in doing that, but if I have to do it on my nose, I'll take a little time. So with daily use, I think I'll be a pro at it, and I'll use it daily for sure. I'll be recommending this product to you. You can give this a try and clean your nose, because already we are living in a lot polluted area, so it's very important to clean your nose and keep it away from allergens. And also, if you have cold, you can use this. So give this a try, and after use, make sure to lid it completely. Yeah, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you.